I'm Lenny Lobihadines. My name is Darlene L181. I am Lucas J. Modero.
I'm Elvin Diazca.
I'm Christian Ricky Namanagdag.
I'm Ken Brian C. Paraso. I'm Angelo Jeswasara.
And I'm Renato Ibacalares.
And we are the Group 5. You know what? This the Philippine art history during the Third Republic. So, Philippine art during the Third Republic in 1946 and 1972 was defined by the rise of modernism, shifting from conservative academic styles to innovative, socially conscious and abstract forms in the post-war era. So, in rise of modernism in 1946, Philippine art in the Third Republic witnessed a surge in modernism, shifting from conservative academic style to experimental Western influence forms like abstract expressionism and surrealism.
Neorealism, 1950. Neorealism emerged in the Philippines during the Third Republic post-1946 as a modern art movement, departing from academic realism focusing on urban social realities through cubism and distortion.
And expression in Philippine art emerged in Fourth World War II as artists embraced in international modernism, moving away from conversation representational styles.
This is a cultural growth of 1970s. It marks the dawn of the contemporary reuse, characterized by a mix of state-sponsored cultural growth via the cultural center of the Philippines and the rise of social relations as a protest against the Marcos regime. It was a transformative, trans- transformative decade. The future instant figurative art, conceptual in experimental works.
Victorio Edades, the father of modern Philippine art. He spearheaded the movement against the traditionalist style of Amorsolo. Hernando Ocampo, a self-taught painter whose work became highly stylish, focusing on abstract, biomorphic forms and vibrant colors representing the Philippine landscape.
Arturo Luis, a founding member, he contribute minimized and geometric approach to the movement with works like street musician. On Estrella, a filmmaker and painter identified with the group, noted for works like Serenata. Jose a pioneer of the Filipino abstract expression, expression, expressionist as Hoya is known from his energetic bulb and vibrant painting, often featuring impose strokes and dynamic layered composition. Lee Aguinaldo. Lee Aguinaldo is the noble abstract artist who, along with Hoya, was influenced by American abstract expression and informationist.
Good day, everyone. So we are the Group 5, and we represent the Third Republic. Then I am Lenilo Vihagines. My name is Daryl Queen L101. I am Resorte now.
I'm Elvin Diazga. I'm Angelo Jeswasara. And I'm Renato Ibacalares. I'm Ken Brian C. Paraso.
I am Christian Ricky Namanagdag.
So, and we are the Group